In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds in Figma. This skill can enhance your design prowess by making your images more focused and professional. It also allows you to better integrate images into your projects without distracting backgrounds. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the widely used collaborative interface design tool. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a fantastic platform where designers can work together in real time on everything from wireframes to fully polished interfaces. Go ahead and open up Figma in your web browser by navigating to their website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have a Figma account, you'll need to create one to continue, but assuming you already have your account set up, just use your credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on the home page of Figma. Here you can see an overview of your recent files and any projects you're currently working on. This dashboard is your main hub for accessing all your design files. Next, click on Design to enter the design mode. This is where you get to work on your creative projects. You should see a sidebar with options and your design files. Now within this design mode, you'll have access to all the tools and features you need to edit and create your work. Look for an action option. Clicking on action will open up additional tools and plugins that Figma offers. Plugins in Figma are incredibly useful as they extend its functionality and make it a more powerful tool for designers. Now in the search bar of the action menu, type in background remover. This tool is exactly what you need for removing backgrounds from images in Figma. Once you find the background remover plugin in the search results, you're ready to move forward. Click on the background remover to select it. At this point, the plugin will be activated and you can now use it to remove backgrounds from any images you have in your design file. This will help isolate the subject of your image, making it stand out better in your designs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove the background from images using Figma. Remember, using plugins like the background remover can streamline your design process significantly, saving you time and enhancing the visual appeal of your work. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.